I got the new hay wagon home. I already took the little sideboards off of it. Didn't have a bed on it when I got it. I'm gonna try to throw a couple of runners on this thing and go back there in the woods and put some logs on it and pull them out that way. I think it'll be a lot easier and faster. Let's see. I'm gonna try to get some cross members on there today, and hopefully maybe tomorrow I'm gonna try it out and see what I think of it. But I think it worked pretty good. Okay, it's winter start here today, and hopefully next couple of days I can work down here. We're down. You watched a couple riding videos, but these are hill climbs we use for four-wheelers and dirt bikes and side-by-sides, which are all getting older, so I don't get used much as it did. So I'm gonna try to get some of these here cleaned up. That one cleaned up, and I open that hill back up. We can get up through. And I'm gonna take off that way, try to get some of them out of there. That's actually a little swamp right there. Show you this. That's dry as a bone right there. I don't know if I can get over there. Might have to show you better down in here, but look right there. It's full of water. And it comes over here, and over the years this thing's had several holes. There's a hole in the ground. But if we ride this a lot, that hole will get plugged, and somewhere up in there it will start another hole, or it will just pass on through for a while until it finds a hole. So, but I cannot believe that's still that wet today, dry this been. So, all right, then we'll get started here and see if we get some stuff cleaned up. We got Jack and Nala with us today. First thing I'm going to start on is I'm going to start with this tree first and try to get this cleaned up so I can get down here and turn the tractor around easy. There is something. Okay, I'm going to see if I can cut this one chunk out right here. I'm sweating like a dog. Be nice to pull it that way. I think it's gonna drop in that ditch, so I ain't gonna attempt it. I'm gonna hook to it right here. Get rid of that cobweb. Just trying to make a trial run here to see what this thing will do. And wheat took over down here, but so I might pull it up here and get a couple more little ones thrown in there. So I don't want to go too heavy. I don't want to. Just want to make a trial run here. See how good it do before I make a. If it does good, I'm gonna make a steel bed for it. I got some extra stuff up there. I can make something pretty quick for it. Okay, I'm gonna end this video here. The hay wagon actually worked out good and pretty nice actually. So I'm gonna build a bigger rack for it so I can get a few more logs on it, and then I don't have to worry about tying them down or worry about them rolling off on me. And I got quite a few logs out of the woods today. So pile. So, and I've got one more load down there too. It's already cut up and ready to be hauled out. Kind of got ate up with chiggers today. I don't know what happened, but man, I'm ate up with them. So I'm not worried about going back tonight. So I'm gonna try to go down in the morning and get another top or so up out of the woods before the rain hits. But I'm gonna end this video here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and hope to see you on the next one.